So here, railway asked for waiver of 12.5, we did not pay, my lord.
Now
Supreme Court has also taken judgment.
it's a settled matter now.
Settlement now.
Yes, railways.
So, if short notice, I will come up. Otherwise, I already decided by the Honorable Appeals Court. I will come up as because we have already appointed. Yes, 137 we already recommended.
If there is no waiver, you have to take.
No, here is no waiver. It is admitted fact. Otherwise, recommendation is there. So, Lordship, a short notice we will come up.
Third, I was taking account of the debt side. Then is before the court, taking appointment of an arbitrator. Yeah, by which work order was issued a debtor by the respondent
Work order.
and an agreement.
My lord, page 32, my lord.
To the letter of acceptance on 17th for execution of the portfolio. Where is the agreement?
Arbitration clause is, my lord, that
Lordship, 30 page number, Lordship, 53, Lordship.
63.
53, Lordship.
But when the contract agreement was entered
60.
by an
No,
agreement
agreement.
Agreement.
and under the state agreement, there is a clause
Page 60.
Lordship, 64,
64.1
Lordship, 1.
whereby describe that in the event of any disputes arising between the parties, the matter can be resolved by referring it to arbitration. It is submitted that when the contract is concluded or
It was terminated, Lordship.
terminated.
Terminated.
The contract was terminated and the petition
Issued notice, my lord, page 122.
paid
122. Under section.
clause 21, the Arbitration Act, the is dated 12 August 2024, calling upon the respondent to resolve dispute by way of arbitration.
They asked for waiver at page 131, my lord. 12.5.
The respondent, on the other hand, by communication dated 23/9/2024, informed the petitioner that the appointment under appointment of an arbitrator will be from the panel of the railway and accordingly requested the petitioner for a waiver under clause under section 12.5. The arbitration.
Who refused, my lord, page 133.
The petitioner, however, refused to waive their right for appointment of an arbitrator and disagreed to accept the nomination of railway from the panel.
And recommendation was page
Page
137.
137. For
Railway,
name.
however, proceeded to appoint the arbitrator by and inform the petitioner by communication dated 21/10. There being agreed in present right? Taking up the fixed judgment of the apex court rendered Central Organization for Railway
Railways,
Electrification
Lordship,
reported in 2024, whereby constituent bench, the majority view constituent bench has held that in the event of there being no waiver under section 12.5, the employer cannot proceed unilaterally
Lordship.
point. Okay, better. Mr. K. Woodlands. Great with happy that if I completed this matter. Want a notice?
Short notice, Lordship, 2 weeks or
Reporting it. Did the respondent, did the other come represent all respondent? Not as the way furnished. They need to know that the respondent price report. Respondent may file their objection. It so like
Lordship.
May come on for 4th of December, my lord.
matter be listed again on 4th of December.
Whether Lordship is available or not, that part. Lordship is available or not that day. Because arbitration bench is before Lordship.
Whoever is available with
Yes,
Okay.
nowadays it is not.
irrelevant.
Lordship.
Somebody will be available.
Yes.
That you will.
Otherwise, arbitration bench is before Lordship as per roster also.
So if it is available, it is available.
Lordship.
If it is not available, it goes.
Lordship.
May I please also? This is a contempt petition. Your Lordship, willful and deliberate violation of order dated 22/5/2024. Your Lordship, pass in WPC number 2650 of 2024. If your Lordship will find operative part at best 12, your Lordship.
Right, being heard and counsel, being aggrieved, I did not comply with that. Claim the order. Dated 25/2020, passed in WPC number
2650
650.
24.
Apply the court by the order date 22/5/2024, passed in 2650/2020. Had directed, had disposed of the writ petition, directing the commission now to examine the claims of the petitioner, calling for a detailed report, and thereafter, if the claim of the writ petitioner found to be genuine, a proposal be prepared and sent to the office of the commissioner and secretary, the government of Assam, Department of Revenue and Disaster Management, for grant of compensation under notification dated 15/11/2014. This said direction was required to be carried out within a 60 days of the date of receipt of the certified copy. That not being done, present contemplation by noted return of the following step from the conduct by usual courts and within a party. It's after the return.
So grateful. The criminal contempt application has been filed. Before the general-
Where is the order?
Lordship, there is a number of orders. Last is Annexure 20, Annexure D. This honorable court, honorable court has directed to place the relevant materials for the honorable court before the officer in charge of the police station. It's a criminal contempt, your Lordship. But the things they met,
Criminal contempt will be before division bench.
Lordship. That is why.
That is why what?
Lordship, matter may be taken place before appropriate page, Lordship.
So first tell us which order you are.
Lordship, regarding
Page number.
page number Annexure D, page 20. Is an order dated 28/8/2024.
Page 20.
Page 20, Annexure D. The relevant page is page 23.
Yes.
There is an order has been passed. There is a direction has been issued to the.
You are given some protection, interim protection.
No, there is above this, your Lordship. To place the relevant instruction in the matter. Earlier, this honorable court had time and again directed to give the materials, to place before the materials, before the honorable court. So, number of times this matter has been filed in 2021 and under
Where this matter is still pending.
pending, your
Criminal petition is pending.
pending, your
It will be listed along with that.
Lordship. That is why.
Let this contempt petition be listed along with criminal petition 341 of 2020.
Lordship, Lordship.
Yes.
May I please, your Lordship? Lordship, there has been a violation of order of this honorable court, which is at annexure 2, Lordship. Page 15, Lordship. Relevant portion at page 17, page 18, Lordship, para 9. Lordship, may I read?
Yes.
Taking into account the above, this court stays the impinging order dated 26/9/2024 till the next date 6. Lordship, by this impinging order, the petitioner was debarred from collecting the land revenue of the Borpeta Road Town, Lordship. This was state, Lordship. Lordship,
This matter is pending.
Lordship, yes, Lordship.
This matter along with WPC number. WPC number
5219, Lordship. 5219.
5219 of 2024. Hearing order dated 3/10/2024 was passed, which according to the petitioner has not been filed contempt. Contempt petition is filed.
Good.
His writ petition is still pending. Contempt petition be listed along with WPC.
Deeply obliged.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, when a revenue appeal was filed by the petitioner, that was allowed, and then the respondents therein filed a writ petition, that is writ petition number 6395 of 2010, and that was disposed of by order dated 9/11/23 with some direction, Lordship, to the DC or ADC Kamrup, Lordship. The direction at that Lordship will find at page 23. The time limit was also given preferably, but till date, Lordship, they have not issued any notice, nothing is done. In fact, I had written with the certified copy, I had submitted one letter on 4/12/2023, that is annexure 2, page 24, and thereafter again on 16/9/2024, annexure 3, page 25. Lordship, it is now 1 year, more than 1 year from the date of passing of the order, Lordship, but no step has been taken. That's why this petition, Lordship.
I heard that the contempt petition directed is filed alleging willful disobedience on the fact directed order dated
9/11/2020.
9/11/2023. Parked in WPC 6395 of the 2010 with return of survey that on by Hilco and registered both within 1 week. This after return.
Highly obliged.
Ma'am, here is इसमें lordship passed order directing them to disclose our representation.
Where is the order?
Page sir Milord. Page Milord 5960. 660 order Milord 62nd line Milord. Accordingly, the petitioner number 2 shall dispose the representation submitted by the petitioner by speaking order after hearing the petitioners and by adhering to the mandate of section 42 of the House Committee. And therefore, we have filed our copy Milord along with the letter, but nothing has been done till date. It was our past order was passed Milord on
So alleging willful disobedience of the directed the order dated 24/6 passed in WPC 309 of 2010. Return steps of the on by yes to be
The respondent number
postmortem report is there. Postmortem has been issued.
But they were to file an affidavit respondent of 5 that they were supposed to inform.
This postmortem report is there,
They have not been provided.
it's not been provided. Yes, madam, what,
Yes, Lordship, Health Department will provide a
who's for the health department?
P.
For the health
Gogoi.
department,
I'm for Government Lordship. P. Gogoi.
call the health department council. Who's the health department?
The P. Gogoi appeal.
This is the postmortem.
Help for
You have a look, postmortem. After something. After something.
Currently Peru the earlier order passed by the
Haven't any instruction,
Instruction awaited, Lordship.
official representing the government for further time. Complete my instruction. 2 weeks,
my lord, 1 week.
1
Week.
2 weeks.
Because my lord, only one thing is incompleted, my lord, the field demarcation.
Can
and
you get it
record.
after 1 week?
1 week,
Can
my lord.
Lordship.
All right, wait for further time, wait for further 1 week's time. To complete the instruction, prayer made is not affected. It's after 1 week. On a date.
My lord, this for sure date may be given. My lord.
Registry will fix a date.
Country date may,
After 1 week on a date to be fixed by the registry, what more do you want?
my lord, of life.
That is all. Okay. This is regarding certain eviction in that Birubari area. Okay. But this writ petition number 3715 2020 with along with batch of writ petition has already been disposed of by judgment and order 7/11/2024.
Then?
Lordship, that this is also covered by that judgment and order.
Yes,
Yes. We can.
you give us the, where is the judgment? Bring the judgment. Learned counsel for the petitioner subject that the courted bench had disposed of the matter that it, the judgment cover replace the judgment next week.
Obliged.
Counsel appearing, you appear for it.
Yes, my lord.
May I please, your lord.
Yes.
My lord, in this matter, the petitioner is a collective farming society, cooperative society. And it was formed long back, my lord, in the year 1969. And thereafter, my lord, the running was smoothly going. And time to time, the managing committee has been also changed. And in the year 1975, the petitioner number 2 became the secretary, and another person, Dhaneshwar Bora, became the president. So, but in the year 1985, flood was there, and this society had a plot of land for farming, 108 bigha, in the name of the society, Axonia Patta land. And that land was submerged by that river, Dhansiri River. So, this society became stagnant, my lord, and regular meetings were not there. But sometimes later in the year 2010 or 12, the river changed its direction and that land was again recovered. And some plot of land was acquisition by the district administration, deputy commissioner. And in the year, my lord, 2019, that president, earlier president, filed one writ petition before this
honorable court along with other persons of that locality, saying that that payment is to be given to this society. That is okay. That judgment was there that is at page 24. But instead of collecting the members, forming it again, they went for forming another, my lord, cooperative society with the same name, with new members. That is the problem, my lord. That is at page 29, my lord.
Can you approach the cooperative department?
That is
register?
correct, my lord. But the problem is this, my lord. They have filed another writ petition before this honorable court that is still pending. And we have already filed across the sub-register at Jorhat.
So let both the matter be listed together.
That is correct, my lord. But the problem is these writ petitions was listed last in the year of in the month of September 2023. Since then, it is not been mentioned or listed, but they have been pursuing constantly.
You are
to
not
the
a party there.
No, my lord.
You implicate yourself if you want.
So, but the problem is, my lord, they are constantly trying to get that money from deputy commissioner.
We
So,
don't know. Somebody has approached this court by way of one writ petition. You have come before this petition. How do we know who is to be given the money unless the issue is decided?
that is correct, my lord. That is why today I pray for only one thing, to give one direction to the deputy commissioner saying that if you
No.
pay
No.
after confirming, nothing more.
No. You are aware that there is a writ petition filed by your opposite camp.
My lord.
What stops you from implementing
But the
yourself as the party?
problem, my lord. But the problem is that new society is not our society. My lord, may kindly come to page number. The sub-registrar has already clarified the matter, my lord. He is not myself.
Have you made them a party here?
Yes,
You have made them a party.
yes. My lord, may kindly for the time being page 41. The sub-register cooperative society hall clearly stated both societies are different.
All right, then we'll consider your interim prayer after you serve copies on this.
But I doubt in the meantime they would go for payment.
We can't help you. You are entitled.
Only to verify, my lord, nothing more.
Not like this. How will they verify? What will they verify?
Whether those members are the original, belongs to original society or not.
What is the mechanism for that verification? By what process?
Deputy commissioner or the sub-register.
Are you saying that the respondent number 6 is it is not a society registered under the registered cooperative society?
No, madam. Kindly come to page 41.
Uh.
It is the letter given by the sub-register society, cooperative society, Golaghat. In the serial number 1, the English page is translated page is at page 40.
So this is the view given by the assistant registrar. If you are agree, this has to be.
I have already approached them, but they are not doing anything, madam. That is the problem.
That is the problem. Then you will have to file proper appeals before the competent authority under the statute.
That is already, I have filed representation. I have submitted all the documents. And interestingly, my lord, in the writ petition given before this honorable court,
The present petition, the respondent number 6 is with regard to certain. What are you supposed to receive? Compensation.
yes,
Compensation.
as well as other land.
Compensation in respect of land utilized by the government. Stop. The petitioner claims to be the original cooperative society, and the respondent number 6, although shares the same name, not the original cooperative society. It is submitted that the respondent number 6 has already approached the court by filing writ petition. What is the other writ petition number?
My lord.
5748/2023.
Yes.
5748/2023.
5748 of 2023, where the present petitioner is not a party. Is it connected?
Lordship, the petitioner name is same.
Learned Council appearing
Registration
for
year is
the
2020.
Corporation Department submitted, the issue pertains to the claim of compensation amount by both the societies claiming to be the original. So, WPC is the number
5748.
5748 of 2023 be listed along with the present writ petition on 28
28th of November.
November.
Can it be on the first week of December?
All right. 3rd of December.
Well.
The although notice is not issued, a copy is furnished to the learned counsel appearing for the Cooperation Department
I am
and
for
state for all the respondents
I am for 2, 3 and 4 lordship.
2, 3, and 4
I am for 5, my lord.
and Cooperation Department and the Revenue Department.
For 1.
Liberty is also granted to the petition to serve advance copy on the respondent 6 and 7 prior to list accordingly on the
And interim may be considered on the next date, my lord.
interim prayer will be considered on the next day.
Apply.
Of lesson.
In this case, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, approach before lordship, my lord, not to refund, my lord, the value of the management is, my lord, what happened in this case, my lord, the petitioner, my lord, as per the agreement, petitioner, my lord, the purchase, my lord, the fair, my lord, from the seller, my lord, accordingly, my lord.
You want a refund of that money?
Yes.
But why approach this court after
My
so
lord,
many years?
my lord, kindly see, my lord, we have, my lord, the petitioner approved, my lord, several occasions, my lord, and my lord, they also, my lord, issued a voucher, my lord, for
Who is to refund it?
my lord, it is sub-register, my lord, respondent number 3. The TC, my lord,
Who appears for respondent 3?
respondent 2 and 3.
2 and 3.
I am
Lord-
for 2 lordship.
The hard-earned money,
Please get your instruction
Lordship.
as to whether the amount can be refunded.
Lordship.
Government council appearing for respondent 2 and 3 will obtain instruction as to whether the amount claimed by the petitioner for purchase of non-efficient stamp paper is to the extent of 132, 1,32,000.
132.
1,32,000. Can be refunded. That's great. List after 2 weeks,
Lordship.
2nd December.
Obliged.
For the timing, lordship.
13, timing. Yes, any decision by the
Not
in
yet,
the
Lord. Let me get my instructions. There might be some reason. And he is not, there was a letter, as per his written state, as per his writ petition, there was a letter which was issued to him asking for certain documents. Whether he has submitted those documents or not, there's no statement to that effect. I'll just find out and next week, Lord, any day.
Mr.
SI.
SI Akash appears for the petition and Rotia appears for the nominee number 2.
Respondent number 2, yes, Lord.
Anyone for 3 also?
Any government advocate will appear.
Uh, 3. The petition has been filed, praying for a direction to the Assam State Legal Service for an early disposal of the appeal, seeking enhancement of compensation by the district legal services, or the petition is submitted that it is pending and notice that is forthcoming at zero that Assam State Legal Services. 27,
next Wednesday, 27th.
27. In order to facilitate councils to obtain instructions, the extra copies be furnished
Lordship,
within 2 days.
Lordship,
Yes.
I have already submitted.
Lordships, R.S. Chaudhary, not.
R.S.
I'm so obliged.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, Lordship. This matter is relating to demarcation of land. Lord, the application was filed, Lordship, on 4/12/2023, page 20, before the circle officer, concerned circle officer. That was not, Lordship, done. Subsequently, Lordship, a complaint in the form of appeal that was filed, that is on 21/2/2024, page 23. Lord, as per Lordship, Assam Right to Public Services, it is a notified service, Lordship. It should be done within the stipulated time period, Lordship. My Lord, after the appeal is filed, the additional deputy commissioner, Lordship, district commissioner, he is got some instruction, page 28. Lordship.
Mm-hmm.
My Lord, page 28, Lordship.
Hmm.
Some instruction was got for from circle officer. That is also, Lordship, perhaps, Lordship, keeping pending. And at this is may I pray, Lordship, the matter may be disposed of with a direction to the respondent, Lordship, to the needful, Lordship, as prayed for. Yes, Lordship.
Let them obtain some instructions to find out
That,
what's there.
that can.
What kind of direction, what effect will it have?
Lordship,
That council.
In a page number 28, Lordship, there was a report was sought from the circle officer, Lordship. It was a case of land graving, Lord.
Petitioner is aggrieved by non-disposal of his representation filed with the authority concerned in respect of where is the particular of the land?
My Lord, page 20 is the vernacular and 18 is the Lordship.
Of the land claimed to be owned, claimed to be under the possession of the petitioner, covered by Hiraj Niyadi Patta number 69, tag number 75 at village Wog, Muda, Ram Soroni, and the Agara, Metro. With a total area of 60 years, 4 kata, 3 types. Petitioner claims to have been in possession, paying continuous land revenue. But the respondent has not acted upon the representation filed. Current council has communicated with 1/4 is overwritten by hand.
My Lord, 1/4/2024.
2024. Then there's initial 5 to show that the additional call for a report from the circle officer rather than but thereafter no information was subsequent to the and then authority
Three hundred.
or
That's for number 1 and 2, Lord.
you will obtain the instruction.
Yes, Lordship, I will obtain.
Sorry, your name again?
S. Kumar.
Yes, alternate governor. 3, 4, and 5. Status of the land. Make it clear. Yes, and in respect of which claim it's on 4th December
luck.
What is this matter?
Material also. My lord, what happened? Petitioner is an advocate of High Court, my lord. He is having several pet dogs of hybrids, my lord, and Doberman he was maintaining, my lord, and in the same flat, my lord, somebody has informed to the people's lover of animal that the Doberman is there, is sick, but no treatment was given. Then, my lord, the local president of this people's friendly of the animal, respondent number 7, came to my house and rebuked my mother like anything and wanted to take away the dog. But since I was absent, I was in the court, so they could not take. Then, my lord, thereafter, my lord, she along with the OC Polton Bazaar came, my lord, on 12/1 and take away forcefully the dog in my absence. And, my lord, it was given to the people's animal of lover. And, my lord, ultimately, my lord, next 2 days, the dog died. I applied to the CGM for the Jimma. Since my FIR was not accepted, no case was registered. My lord, ultimately, I could not take the Jimma. Then, my lord, I approached my lord, dead body. They have not refused to give it, my lord. Then, my lord, ultimately, they have buried, my lord. Then, my lord, my grievance is that because of their negligence, that my dog has been killed by them. And OC, without the FIR, how he has gone to help this lady, my lord, to bring this, forcefully brought this dog, my lord.
You and your client are both well versed in law. So when the FIR is not registered,
Yes, that's why we
obviously
could not
why-
get the Jimma. But, my lord, my grievance is OC, how he has cooperated and participated in the matter, my lord. Then we give a notice to the Government of Assam, my lord, and page
You-
64 the document
you
file.
filed your FIR on January 2020.
Now, CR case, because of this, my lord, settled law of this, when FIR is not accepted, CR case has been filed, and CJM has directed to inquire the matter. But that is also kept without any action, my lord.
So you have your remedies before CJM.
That's why, my lord, it has not yet come. But my remedy is that, my lord, I prayed for the compensation of my dog, my lord.
Compensation, the responsibility will have to be affixed first. Who is responsible?
Because, my lord, without the authority, the OC of the Polton Bazar has helped this lady to brought my dog.
Where is the order of the learned CJM?
CGM's order is there, my lord. What is it? My lord, page 43.
What was the direction ultimately?
Actually, my lord, forwarded my application to cause an inquiry of the present status, my lord. Referring the Sikari Basu's case, my lord. Priyanka Srivastava also, my lord, mentioned, my lord. Then lastly, a group of, after going through the page 48, my lord, going through the case record of the relevant provision of law, this court comes to the reasonable finding that the prima facie cognitable offences appeared to have been committed against the complainant. Accordingly, this court deems fit to direct the OC Polton Bazar to register a case basing upon the present complaint petition. It has not yet been done till today.
Yes, do so the state. You get your instructions here.
Lordship,
In spite of directions by the CJM,
Lordship.
whether a case has been registered, if not, why?
Notice may
Let
we
us
should
have
take
it
them.
on Friday.
Friday,
Get your instructions.
Lordship.
Furnish her an extra copy.
Yes, I will tell you.
List on Friday, on which date the council will officially start. Whether
Biplab.
the FIR is directed by the learned CJM has been registered by the concerned jurisdictional jurisdiction. With the instructions to the court Friday. Wait, second. Let it be on Monday.
Made to the lordship. But in substance, the prayer is at Annexure 8. It's not so happily worded. Page 41. It's only that for the acquisition part, the standing houses and all had not been calculated for the Zirak part, and therefore some team representations were made for consideration of that. And the prayer, it says that for a disposal of this. Let me take a call on that. The prayer, my lord, finds at page 14. Direction to respondent 4-5 to consider and dispose, my lord.
Dispose of what?
This appeal at page 41.
You want.
41.
That is, when was it filed?
This was filed sometime in August.
Must have been disposed of.
No, it has not been. This was in March, sorry, 18th of March. This was in March. The earlier ones were prior to that. This was in March.
So let them obtain instructions there.
They might, yes, very well. They might. The lordship be kind to be put it for notice, I mean, motion. Then you have the instructions on.
Yes.
Notice would
Heard-
not apply.
heard something. A petition is filed seeking specific direction. The district commissioner Kachar for disposing the appeal petition filed with the petition for reassessment, re-evaluation of the Zirat compensation as per market value in respect of land measuring 106 feet in length, 106 feet in length and 31 feet in breadth, which the petitioner claimed, on which the petitioner claimed he is carrying out the business by what, running a shop,
Wedding house, Bibha Bhavan.
by running a
It's called
wedding.
Mehreen Bibha Basat. That's its name and style of Mehreen Bibha Basat.
running a wedding hall. Let the government state their instructions with regard to the status of the appeal and annexure
8, page 41.
annexure 8 page stated to be pending before this by the district except for the furnished to be respective study council and authority appearing to respondent 1 and MS warrant for the 4 and 5. Who's for NH? National Highway? Yes. National Highway, who's appearing? NHIDCL? You are appearing for NHIDCL? Yes, MS Dhar Bora appears for respondent number
What did you do?
2, respondent number 3, and 6 also. Extra copies be furnished to the respective state council within 2 working days. Might not be listed again on 27.
This one. Pendency may not be a bar if they consider
Tendency
disposal.
may not be a bar. Consider the claim made by the
Obliged.
Lordship. Lordship, here petitioners, two brothers, were killed by extremists. My lord, accordingly, an amount of rupees 2 lakhs was paid to her, that is page 24. Earlier, 1 lakh each was paid. Page 24, serial number.
You want a revised amount?
I want to revise, extend, enhance the amount. Already so many orders, my lord, I have also passed.
Can you obtain instructions here? Who is to furnish it?
Or as deputy commissioner. Respondent number 5.
So we issue notice here. Writ petition by the petitioners the enhancement of the compensation, ex gratia compensation paid in respect of death of our two brothers who were killed by unknown instruments. So, Current counsel for the petitioner said the compensation was granted, ex gratia was granted in the pre-enhanced rate. So, the, the rate at which the petitioner of to have been granted the ex gratia was not considered according in terms of the which circular.
Page 26, OM, my lord. 29
So,
July 2000.
OM dated 29th of July. The petitioner claims to be entitled to be granted higher amount of ex gratia. The representation of the petitioner has not been considered by the Deputy Commissioner of Iran, and therefore it is petitioner.
Page 38, my lord. The circle officer also submitted report.
Issue notice returnable 2 weeks. Mr. MS Pierre Monton, PS4 respondent 1, and MS 4 for respondent number 2 and 5. Mr. Musumatari for
RK Musari.
RK Mutari for
4 and 8.
4 and 9.
4 and 8.
4 and 8. And
May I pay for holding lordship?
4 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Who's for finance? Anyone for finance? Yes, sir. Your name?
M. Lord.
M. Bhuya, it is for to notice that 3 weeks. Respondent may complete their instructions and file necessary affidavit in the meantime. This after 3 weeks.
My lord, pendency, my lord.
Pendency shall not be about within 3 working days.
My lord, 22 also same. Here, khali, here, my lord, only husband. Petitioner husband.
Extremist action.
And say, by same order, the amount of 1 lakh paid already. I'm deeply aware.
Me, Elizabeth. Houses and hostel properties, my lord, of the petitioner, my lord, damage due to fire, my lord. And as per government notification, my lord, they entitle some compensation, my lord. Petitioner also approved before the authorities, my lord, till that no action has been taken. That is the notice.
Where is the notification?
Yes, my lord. Notification is, my lord, can you say page 22, my lord?
Page?
Page 22, my lord. 22. Revenue and Disaster Management Department, my lord. First page 3, my lord. In the below, my lord, column number 3, my lord. So 3, my lord. Fire is also there. And the amount mentioned in my lord page 37. 37 and operative portion page 42, my lord. Page 42 is the operative portion. That's the house, my lord. 95,100 per house in plain areas. In the middle, my lord.
have you filed any representation?
Yes, my lord.
Where?
Here, page my lord 21, my lord.
Hmm?
Page 21, my lord. Earlier also there, but
Yes, respondent, please get your instructions in respect of this page 21. Or should we dispose it off?
Can be disposed of lordship. My lord, notice may go, my lord, once the report of police report is, if
What?
they are eligible to.
What notice? You get your instructions first.
Lordship. Yes, my lord.
yes.
Some order may have been passed.
Yes, it.
Return counsel for the petition. As well as it is not petitioner agreed by not consideration of the application dated 9/24. Submitted before the deputy commissioner Pokrajan, where petitioner has claimed for a compensation of 3 lakh for loss of his dwelling house, kitchen, along with household property, ornament, accompaniment, and 7 number of boats. Petitioner claims to be a person below poverty line and he is not in a position to reconstruct his dwelling with in view of poverty. His application is not considered, and petitioner is before this court seeking order that in terms of the government notification dated 8th of April 2015 by the Department of Revenue and Disaster Management in case of the petition does not carry out. Rather, counsel appearing for the state MS one made state instruction here on 30th of respondent 1. In order to facilitate the count of the furnished within 2 working days. Matter be listed again on after 1 week.
Lordship, 2 weeks.
After on a big visit by the
Obliged. May I please? On 5/1/2023, Lordship, the respondent authorities published a notification in the local newspaper, Lordship, for acquiring for extension of NH 306, Lordship. So notification, Lordship, kindly page 51, Lordship. Page 51, Lordship. For extension and widening of NH 306, Lordship. In this area, Lordship, they acquired the petitioner's land along with others, Lordship. But the compensation regarding the petitioner's land they did not pay, Lordship. So the petitioner also filed a representation before the concerned authority, Lordship, but it's also not considered, Lordship. Page 51, Lordship, the notification, Lordship.
where is your land here?
Land here, it is difficult, Lordship, because they have given the survey number, plot number, and in local hectare area wise, Lordship. But here with the petitioners, we know our land has a tag number and patta number, Lordship, Moja wise.
No, but then how do you know your land is?
Yes, during the time of demarcation, Lordship, they had come and demarcated our land and building, Lordship.
Learned counsel, learned counsel, the party. The split petition is directed against the respondent, more particularly the National Highway Authority. The ground that the necessary compensation has not been granted. It has already been acquired.
Acquired.
It has been acquired by the highway. be a notification wherein the particulars of the land acquired by the National Highway indicated. So the petitioner's land also falls within the said land indicated. And thereafter, the personnel belonging to the National Highway Authority had entered into the land for demarcation by the General Council for the Petitioner of the National Highway Act. Petitioner is entitled for adequate compensation of the agreed presented by MS R. Mora, who represent union. You represent union or represent the respondent 1, 3, 4. Who appears for 5? PWD.
PWD, I'm not.
Mr. B. Gugoi appears for respondent for 5. Mr. H. Sharma for
6 and 7.
6 and 7. Let's notice the
PWD, my learned candidate.
is issued written reporting. The respondents will prize the court respect of the claim made by the petition by the petitioner. Since the Learned Council representative respondent notices the waived, however, extra copies are purchased within a period of 1 week. Least after 4 weeks.
Highly applicable.
Well, PPWD may be reflected only registry to reflect names of all councils in the S3 PW.
Highly applicable.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, a petitioner is the absolute owner of a plot of land, lordship, 1 katha, 7 less of the and the joint director lordship acquired that plot of land, lordship, and promised that in lieu of that land, lordship, 2 government job will be given, lordship, or lordship, the compensation will be provided, lordship. But till now, lordship, the land in the name of the petitioner, lordship, and the petitioner is lordship keeping the revenue, lordship, and lordship, the petitioner in several occasions, lordship, submitted representation, lordship, but till now, lordship, no government job nor lordship compensation is provided, lordship. Lordship, in similar situated case, lordship, the issued notice, lordship, to the respondent, lordship. That is
Where is the similar situated case order? What is the order at page 23?
lordship, that also, lordship, similarly situated case, lordship,
That is disposed of.
lordship. In that case, lordship, there
All right, issue no pay. Okay. And Mora appears for health.
Department, lordship. 1, 3, and 4.
3 and
4.
1, 3 and 4. MS Adhorika for respondent 2.
Myself,
Mr.
5 and
Sharma
6.
for 5 and 6. Ms. Richu, written and 4. Terms of the law. Yes.
highly offensive.
No, please, lordship. In this case, my lord, the petitioner has claimed for accidental benefit, my lord, in the public place, my lord. The son of the petitioner died in the public place.
Where is the notification?
No, your lordship will find that page, my lord, 24, my lord.
24.
Yes, my lord. 24,
on the
serial number 3, my lord.
Number?
Serial number 3.
3.
Yes, my lord. Act ratio to the NOK of a person killed due to accident in public places
All right.
or in public carriers.
You have filed your application.
Yes, my lord.
Where is that?
Application, my lord, page 21, my lord.
21. All right.
Before the deputy commissioner, my lord.
We are disposing it of directing the deputy commissioner to cause an inquiry.
Right.
And thereafter, if found suitable, we'll furnish
Lordship.
the proposal to the what is
Commissioner
that?
Secretary.
Commissioner, principal secretary. And the entire process be completed within a period of 90 days from the date of the receipt of the.
Lordship.
Yes?
Lord.
Heard this. Okay. Compensation.
My lord, in this case.
Yes.
In this case, my lord, hit and run, my lord. The vehicle ran away, my lord, after hitting the husband of the petitioner. My lord. Final report.
Report. Dispose.
Problem.
Yes, who's for 25? Passport. Yes, Mr. Sinha.
May I please, Lord, my lord, the death caused my lord, in a train, by train Agartala Express on 11/8/20. FIR, your lordship will find at page 10, annex 2.
Who is to pay the compensation? Railway.
Railway, my lord, sir, let them, notice may be issued, let them say what.
What is there to be issued? They will dispose of your case. Yes. Railway, who's for railway? Mr. Gogoi. Where is Mr. Gogoi? Like his client services, he is also late. Yes. Where is Mr. Gogoi? Railway. Where is the notification?
Nuisance, I have not.
Where is
my lord,
the police report? Police report.
yes, police report is there, the postmortem report is there. FR is submitted.
Where is the FR submitted?
FR I have not annexed, my lord. Only that I have made a statement, my lord, the FR submitted.
But whether it is an accident or a case of.
There is a case also, my lord, they are to say, man. If it is accident,
No, but if it is an FR, then it will be reflected in the FR. FR has been submitted.
no, only the just number only, my lord. That is your lordship will find page 12. There is, my lord, I don't know how that way. Notice may be issued, my lord, the present, my lord. So we also, my lord.
So you don't know?
No, my lord, I don't know. We also try to get the things, my lord. The notification if it is there or not.
This writ petition is filed by the petitioner claiming compensation the NF for the death of the daughter of the petitioner who was allegedly knocked down by a passing train. So the doctor is referred to the postmortem report where the doctor conducting the postmortem has defined death and of
Page 17, my lord. Opinion of doctor. 17. Death caused due to hemorrhage and
death caused
shock as a result of injuries sustained.
and shock as a result of sustained. So, the postmortem report also states that death the injuries sustained due to a knockdown purported three, passing by. He therefore submitted the railway authority of the entitled to pay it. Heralded within 4 weeks. Sir, who's for union? Railways?
Railways.
Who's for the railways? Yes, Mr. Mary. Who's for railways? No, the other gentleman. Other Mr. S.K. Mary. For railways. Please accept notice on behalf of railways.
Yes, ma'am.
Respondent number 1 is for railway. 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 3. Extra copies be furnished within 2 working days, enabling him to obtain required manifest recording.
Obliged.
I for 25 minutes. I was on leg foot number 2 division bench.
You wait. You pull it up after
Perhaps
the.
on Wednesday.
Huh?
Perhaps on Wednesday.
Wait.
Okay.
May I please, my lord? By this writ petition, the petitioner have paid for a direction to the respondent number 1 to 4 to make the payment of rupees 49,41,519 as differences of taxes due to change of the tax slab 5% to 12% and 80% as levied in VAT and GST. Subject to the verification of
This is connected to that matter where
yes,
in the contract it was.
yes, my lord. In this period, but Lordship will kindly see, my lord, 4 5 work orders has been clubbed together and this petition has been filed. Out of which, my lord, about 3 work orders, my lord, were issued prior to, my lord, the GST came in, my lord. January 2017. 25th of May 2017. This will not be covered.
My lord, I have awarded the contract prior to VAT.
Right, heard learned counsel to the party. The writ petition is directed. I'm seeking a direction to the respondent to release an amount of 49,41,519 towards the additional difference tax amount due change in tax slab from VAT, 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 GST. And to recalculate the bill for the relevant year and release the additional amount if found to be levied additionally on the petition. Mr. B. Gogoi, appears for all respondents.
All respondents.
Let's be done at council. Unless the respondent notices the way back the copy be furnished. The respondent may file the counter affidavit. In the meantime, so advised. This after 4 weeks.
Well,
May I please? In the meantime, one direction may be given to the respondent 6 and 7. Don't to take any corrective action against me. Keep disposal.
Interim prayer, if any, will be considered after the returnable date.
obliged.
Matter pertains to change in the class of the land, my lord. The husband of the petitioner in the year 1975, he purchased a plot of land. And then it's in the annexure 2, my lord, page number 15 to 20.
Page number
15 to 20, my lord. It was a registered child deed. And then he subsequently subscribed to electricity connection in the year 1984. It was annexure 3, page number 21. Lordship, in the year 1975, the husband of the petitioner applied for mutation of the plot of land, and it was subsequently mutated in his name. Lordship, please peruse page number 22, 23. It's in annexure 4.
Yes.
And subsequently, what happened, my lord?
To the utter shock and surprise, the land was converted into ceiling surplus land. No notice was communicated to the petitioner's husband, nor any communication was intimated to him. And then he applied before the circle officer for change the class of the land. And in the year 2012, Annex 5, my lord, page number 24 to 26. Page number 5.
Yes.
The circle officer passed the order when it is stated that the land was rightfully mutated in the name of the husband of the petitioner and it is free from ceiling surplus land. But thereafter, my lord, the class of the land was not changed. Neither the petitioner, then the husband of the petitioner, then approached before the appropriate authority many times, but his representations were not considered. Meanwhile, Lordship, husband of the petitioner expired in the year.
Yes, heard, counsel.
Yes.
The tradition is directed again. Representing like appeals filed by the seeking change the nomenclature of the land belonging to the standing in the name of the late husband. According to the definition of the land showed to be ceiling surplus land. Subsequently, on representation filed the same one. An order was passed by the concerned circle officer that the land is not considered ceiling surplus and therefore released from the ceiling surplus case. This order was passed by the circle officer. Which circle officer is it?
Dispur circle officer.
Circle officer. 14/6/2012. So, however, the record were never corrected by the file. Being agreed,
Two, three, four.
Extra copy furnished. Still after 4 weeks.
Lordship.
Number 30.
May I please, Your Lordship? Other in the matter, my lord, after expiry of my father, my lord, the petitioner made an application for mutation of his name in the records, my lord. And therefore, my lord, ADCS directed the circle officer to conduct an inquiry and take the necessary action in the matter, my lord. Since no action, the outcome of the inquiry direction, my lord, Lordship will find at page 15 and Annex 4, my lord. Before that, Lordship, I'd like to draw your Lordship kind attention at page 13 and Annex 3. In view of this application, my lord, next Annex 4, page 15, my lord, this is a direction made. Then, my lord, finally, my lord, page 16, very next page, my lord, through online, my lord, I again made an application for the mutation, and finally, my lord, at page 17, Annex 6. This is the last my application. I reference made the past all the applications as well as the communication made by authority. So by only Lordship will find, my lord, my prayer, my lord. Page 8, my lord. Here in this instant application, I made two prayer. First one prayer I made for to directing the authority to initiate the process of mediation. And secondly, my lord, since my two applications are pending before the authority, then let them to consider my representation, my lord.
Which is your representation? 17.
17 finally, my lord. Annex 3 and Annex 6, two representation. Page 13 and page 17. 17 may be directed, my lord.
I heard learned counsel for the package. Sharma for respondent number
234.
Here, Mondo for respondent number. This petition is directed against the not consideration of the representation filed for the petition for mutation of the name of the petition on the land by right of inheritance. Petitioner claims to be the son of one late Nurki Asi Nayak, who was debated what behalf of that, covered by Patta number 64 and Tag number 114, situated in village Parua, town, Murda, list, under test, revenue service, the district of community test. Pursuant to the demise of the petitioner claimed, you are the only child.
No, my lord, my other brothers is given NOC. I have enclosed it. Repeat, my lord. Lord, you will find that two brothers, page 20, my lord, annexure 8.
Petitioner, one of the three
Sons,
legal heirs
legal heirs.
of late
Durgi
Nurki
Kashi Nayak.
Asi Nayak. So, the other two siblings, the petitioner has given a no objection copy of the report, the petition that speaks. The representative, the petitioner and his brothers approached the court. Petitioner on behalf of himself, the deputy commissioner for mutation of the name, their name. The same land. So he took steps by filing necessary application, the online portal, and for which acknowledgement number RTPS slash MPTI slash 2023 slash 183805 dated 14 410 2023 has been paid, has been submitted by paying it like up until date it is pending. So he submits that despite of repeated requests, considering the limited prayer importance of the in the direction of the respondents to consider it the use of the application file on 5/4/2020 the 17th and pass appropriate notice after hearing the respondent within a period of 60 days from the date of the
To be submitted by the petition. To be submitted by the petition.
Yes, that is submitted by the in terms of the above direction,
Develop.
My lordship may be pleased to pass over the matter for the time being. For the time.
Who is appearing for you? Who's appearing?
Yesterday. He's in another court.
All right, timing.
Yes. What a timing.
32.
May I please, Lord? My lord, I may be allowed to withdraw and file a case, my lord. I made a mistake in cost title, my lord.
Learned counsel, Mr.
DJ Halloy, my lord.
DJ Halloy. Submits that he would like to withdraw the writ petition, make necessary correction. He filed the same. What errors?
My lord, he has not met the party who has passed the impugned order.
Accordingly, writ petition is permitted to be withdrawn. Dismissed on withdrawal. Wait paper.
Negative party.
Mr. H. Sharma, here for the respondent.
Lord.
Respondent number?
One, Lord. One.
Public. Yeah.
May it please the lordship. The lordship, in this case, the petitioner filed a succession certificate for the amounts lying in the respondent's bank for his deceased mother, lordship. In that succession certificate, lordship, the nominee came and filed a counterclaim. Thereafter, mediation took place, lordship, and after receiving his share, lordship, nominee filed his NOC. Thereafter, succession certificate was issued, lordship. When we submitted the succession certificate before the bank, lordship, bank rejected our prayer
that they cannot, Lordship, release the amount to the petitioner on the basis of succession certificate as because there is a nominee clause. Against that, I have filed one contempt of court petition before the district judge that was rejected. I am not on dispute about the rejection order, only on the rejection order by the bank, Lordship. That is Annexure 10, page 65.
65.
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
Bank informed to the succession certificate holder that returning of disease claim of late Jaleman Bibi with reference to your death claim submitted on 6/4/2024, we would like to inform you that the account of late Jaleman Bibi, wife of Nasiruddin, having account number so was avail nomination facility in the name of Safiur Rahman. Hence, as per our bank circular number so dated so, claim should be settled as per the circular. Nominee clause C acts on the basis of existing nomination facility. Hence, you are advised to submit the claim for deceased depositor as per nominee clause C acts for settlement of the mutation claim. Lordship, as per banking regulation provision, Lord, that is 45 Z D.
But who is Sophia Rahman?
He is the nominee, Lordship.
Who is
He has filed his no objection, Lordship, after mediation. Your Lordship
no,
will
who is he? The person?
son, Lordship.
Son.
Yes.
You are the daughter.
One. I am the son. I am the eldest son, Jalaluddin Ahmad.
Okay. You are the eldest son.
Yes, he is the youngest son, Lordship.
Here, get you in fact.
Lordship, may I pray if your Lordship issuing notice?
Yes.
Lordship, if they can bring instruction on the next date, if your Lordship can dispose it of, only amount is 4 lakh something, Lordship. Since 3 years, their Lordship disputing. I have a decision of Supreme Court, that is Sipraj Sengupta citation, Lord.
Heard counsel for the petitioner below this court in a direction to the respondent bank to issue the to, to, to consider the petitioner for to consider the case of the petitioner's claim toward the contents of locker number. Where is the locker number?
Lordship, account number.
Account number.
Yes.
Page number 65.
Yes, Lord.
Account number, page number 65. In respect of late Elimon Bibi, who the petitioner claims is the mother, dead mother, and the amount and who had maintained a savings bank.
Yes, Lord.
Savings account.
Yes, Lord.
Savings bank account in the respondent bank. The which branch is it?
Dhubri branch, Lord.
Dhubri branch. And release the said amount in favor of the petitioner. Petitioner claims that his younger brother has issued an NOC. Where is it?
That is, Lordship, page affidavit, Lordship. That is page 27, annexure 6. And mediation report, your Lordship will find original copy, page 26.
Pursuant to mediation between the said petitioner and the other and his brother. You should have made him a party also.
Lordship, after this mediation, only succession certificate was granted. And as per Lordship, banking regulation.
Where is the succession certificate?
That also I have annexed.
Page number.
Annexure 9, page 31.
Pursuant to the mediation report, the petitioner approached competent court of civil jurisdiction and drafted a certificate dated
3/4/2020.
3rd of April 2024 in Miss SC S/C case number 17. In spite of the document to the bank and not proceeded in the they agreed with by Mr. Dhanuka. Yes, for the respondent. All the respondents. Can you obtain instructions here? How long do you want? How much time? 3 weeks. 3 weeks. 3 weeks. Submit that you'd like to complete instructions. Considering the limited prayer in the regulator, that the matter is still 3 weeks. After 3 weeks, no motion naming the respondent. So, extra copy, submitted extra copy, 3 days from today. It's start.
Obliged. Any date or date?
Fixed by the rates.
Obliged.
Please, my lord, your challenges to the delimitation final notification of 21/10/2024, my lord. In this case, before proceeding further, my lord, several other writ petitions involving connected issues in different districts, notices have already been issued in those writ petitions, my lord. And the issue herein is that earlier the petitioner's village was in the Malinipur Gaon Panchayat, but after the delimitation process, it has been shifted to Betonipam Gaon Panchayat in the Dhemaji district, my lord, in the CC Borgao LAC.
Yes, Mr. Moore.
Your Lordship, in the delimitation matter, Learned Advocate General is here. Your Lordship, one information, Your Lordship, in the division bench today, Your Lordship, the notice has been issued in a matter only on point of maintaining.
Maintainable.
Maintaining. The returnable in
Division bench matter
the PI.
In a PI.
PI. Similar matter, similar issues are involved. Delimitation of Panchayat. Madam, issue notice and connected with that matter, madam, that I have no objection. Let it be heard because these, I think the other matters are fixed on 20th of 20th. The series of matters.
All these matters are connected to PI or they are separately listed?
Madam, because there are certain issues writ petition where before the revision there is a challenge to the entire notification process as well as the SOP. Here in this case, we have not challenged the no. SOP is not under challenge. Here is not under challenge. There's a limited ground because we were already on factually, we were already allowed to be placed in the previous Gaon Panchayat and our error was corrected. But thereafter, again, we have been shifted back. So this is a factual issue involved. I'm only notice issue on.
Yes, Mr. Carter. The present the final hearing 21/10/24. Page number?
My lord, 44.
By so petitioners are agreed that pursuant to the issuance of the final notification notice, the petitioner's village. What is the name of the village?
My lord, this is Silapathar Nagaon.
Silapathar Nagaon.
Nagaon.
Which was under the Betonipam Gaon Panchayat.
Malinipur Gaon.
Sorry, Malinipur Gaon Panchayat has now been placed under Betonipam Gaon Panchayat. Being agreed with the present petition. There are issue notice. Returnable 4 weeks. Will take more than appears on behalf of
1, 2, 4, 5, and 6.
1, 2, 4, 5, and 6. And who's for number 3, Mr. Dubey? The respondent represent the council, which is a way extra copy furnished within the course of this bill. Respondents with their instructions and may file counter affidavit to advise.
Obliged.
Please, Your Lordship. Yes, this is the case relating to Lordship challenging to the Lordship notification number 56/2023 and the Lordship corresponding order issued thereon. Lordship, my main ground of challenge is that the notification with 56/23 is Lordship does not contain the recommendation of the GST Council, as well as there is no force measure also. Lordship, in fact, in similar cases, Lordship has passed some interim order, and Lordship, in some of the matters, even final judgment has also been passed. Lordship, but they are saying that they will be filing a review in that.
Which matter?
Lordship, Lordship, may kindly see the judgment which I have already annexed. This is the interim order, Lordship. In other matters, they are pending, Lordship, still. Which the interim order which I have given, the cases are still pending before Your Lordship and part heard before Your Lordship. Mahesh, some matters are pending, Lordship, before this honorable court. Lordship,
Yes.
It is a covered, otherwise a covered matter, my lord. This issue has been settled, my lord. Page 182 of the petition.
109, Lordship. The judgment starts at 109.
Right.
Yes, Your Lordship. 109, the judgment starts.
So take us to the text of the judgment.
Lordship, the text of the judgment, Lordship, may kindly see, Lordship, internal page 53, page 161.
Yes.
Lordship, page 53, page 161, Lordship, the analysis and determination. Lordship, I have heard the learned counsel for the parties. So, Lordship, this paragraph I am showing only to the fact that, Lordship, there was a there are two notifications which were challenged before this honorable court. One was notification number 9 of 23, another was 56/23. 9 of 23, Lordship, paragraph 38 says that since it has no relevance for which the court is not considering the challenge to the notification. So, notification number 9 of 2023 was not, Lordship, even considered in this case. Lordship, thereafter, Lordship, may kindly see. Yes.
What is that 9 of 23? 9 of 23 is for what?
9 of 23, Lordship, earlier also there was one extension. There were two extensions, Lordship. Earlier one extension was that was with the recommendation of the GST Council.
And this 56 is a subsequent extension.
Subsequent, Lordship, in this
Your only ground is that there was no recommendation.
no recommendation as well as force measure, because Lordship, what has happened is that force measures was already considered in 9/2023, and that is why the no extensions were already granted. But when
And what is the finding of the court?
Lordship, the finding finally, Lordship, the Honorable High Court has set aside the orders. Lordship, the finding starts at page.
No appeal has been filed.
No, Lordship. They will be
Against
filing the
that, my lord, review has been preferred by the central government. Because, my lord, the ground for, my lord, interfering with the notification 56 was that, my lord, though it was mentioned in that particular notification, that, my lord, they have got the recommendation of the council, but actually, my lord, such recommendation was not there.
Admitted.
But, my lord, as on that, my lord, on the date when the order was passed, my lord, that particular notification was already ratified by the, my lord, council. That could not be placed before the honorable court. So, my lord, a review has been preferred by the central government. The review is
That decision of the GST council where the benefit is given September.
Yes, subsequently extended, my lord. But it has been ratified now. Central has notified without the recommendation. Subsequently,
On the date when this order was passed, it was already ratified.
already ratified, but we failed to place it before the honorable court.
Lordship, but there were other considerations which were taken by the court. Page 169, Lordship. Page 47 is the final judgment. Lordship, it goes into several paragraphs. Page 169, paragraph 47.
Paragraph 47.
47, Lordship. Page 169, paragraph 47. Lordship, the reason at this stage, let this court take into account the submission of the learned counsel for the GST to the effect that all recommendation of GST council are not binding. And as such, even without the recommendation, the government could exercise the power under section 168A of the Central Act. The said submission is misconceived for the following reasons. Lordship, from here, the Lordship, all the observation of the court starts that this is the Lordship judgment of the court. There is no Lordship A, B, C, D. There are different reasons which has been given by this honorable court for not Lordship for setting aside the notification number 5623. Finally, Lordship, at paragraph D, page 175.
All right, if the review is being filed, then already
It has been already known to the council. Lordship posted after.
But Lordship, till then, no court is taken. Lordship, similar order may be passed because other cases, Lordship, are already pending before the
what coercive action are you
Lordship,
apprehending?
they are taking course action because Lordship, what has happened is that even though it's a time barred case, Lordship, they are Lordship because the order.
There is other ground also, well, they are not placing. Well, that part has been considered by the honorable court also. Well, page 182. I think, well, because well, according to the petitioner, no SOCOS notice has been issued under section 173(1).
That is also my case, Lordship.
And that has been decided by the honorable court. Page 1.
That is also in our favor, Lordship.
Yes, that's why I'm saying, well, the question of giving an interim doesn't arise, my lord. Lordship will see, my lord, page 182. This perhaps covers the case. And only thing is required that I will have a short instruction, my lord, on Wednesday or Friday, whether it's a SOCOS was issued or not. Otherwise, it is covered, my lord. If the SOCOS itself goes, the entire proceeding goes. Where the question of notification of 156 or 56 remains.
180?
182.
180.
Yes, my lord. Lordship will see, my lord, 187, the judgment start.
Relevant?
Yes, relevant. The issues have been framed, my lord.
Lordship, the conclusion is at
Page
page
197 is the other three issues. 197. Then, my lord, the final
205.
of the yes, yes, my lord, yes, 205 conclusion.
Paragraph 29.
29 is start.
They are issuing DRC1. The thought matter is that they are issuing DRC1 without issuing SOCOS notice.
Yes.
That is just a summary to the SOCOS notice that has been held by the court. That cannot substitute SOCOS notice. Since you have not given SOCOS notice, final judgment.
On Wednesday or Friday, my lord, will
Friday.
Issues raised, part of the issue raised in the petition is covered by the the other review application. But in that context, like this matter again on 27.
Lordship, Friday, other similar matters are fixed.
22nd, my lord.
22nd.
Short instruction.
22nd, as it is submitted with the other matters that fixed. It's recording. Dr. Gogoi appeals for
1 and 2.
Mr. Sharma also no.
That's my lord, E45.
Gogoi appeals for the other report.
Yes.
Based on Friday.
Lord.
Extra copies be furnished within the course of the day, irrespective of any number.
Lordship, interim may be considered on that day.
Friday.
Much of that.
Make me the Lord. 36. In this case, my lord, the land of the petitioner was acquisition, my lord, by the revenue authority under Udalguri district for improvement and upgradation of the Assam Mala road. Thereafter, the assessment was made, my lord, by issuing 3G notice, my lord. Thereafter, the Kala authority, my lord, they issued the compensation amount, my lord, through a check, page 24, my lord.
So you have to approach the authority under 3G.
My lord.
Have you approached?
Well, what happened in this case? Compensation amount has been issued, man, through a check, man, page 24, man. Thereafter, what happened? The circle officer, man,
She issued a letter, my lord, dated 5/12/2023 to the bank, my lord, to put on hold, my lord, in encashing this check.
Why?
My lord, the letter alleged, my lord, some person has lodged a complaint against her. Page 27 is later.
So you are agreed by this communication.
My lord, what happened, my lord? The complaint has been, my lord, compromised. Page 26, the compromise deed, my lord. It was dated 2/1/2024. Wherein the circle officer herself, my lord, is a witness, my lord, the agreement.
And this letter is issued after that.
Letter was before that. Compromise.
This compromise does not contain any signature of it.
My lord, I have the original, my lord. This is the, my lord, original.
You should have brought a copy.
My lord, it's not legible. That's why, my lord. The
All right.
circle officer herself, my lord, the party.
Counsel for the petition submitted by withholding of the amount of compensation payable to the petitioner for acquisition of land for the purposes of construction of road under the Bharat Mala scheme. Petitioner submits that this amount was withheld pursuant to the letter of the circle officer, Bolaigaon,
5/12/2020.
Bolaigaon Revenue Circle, District Dalguni, by letter dated 5/12/2023. It submitted that pursuant to this letter on 2/1/2024, the petitioner and the other person raised dispute in respect of compensation by paid to the petitioner from arrived at an agreement and sorted out their difference.
Wrong amount has been mistakenly issued.
in the office of the circle officer, and therefore there is no question of continuing to withhold the amount payable to the petitioner. So, he agreed. Present representation by. It should notice return and everything. Mr. Ishan, therefore,
4, 5, and 6.
And we are the report acknowledged.
3 I may be.
Are we going for this one? 3. And who is for Kala? You will appear for Kala only.
Yes, Lord, so the 5, I have already appeared. 5.
You appeared. And Boroland?
Boroland, I am not. But
Sorry.
Pina 7, Lordship, notice will.
Respondent number 7 by Wilford registered post. What fees of obtain their instructions it's accordingly.
Well, dependency may not be a part.
Dependency may not be a part. Reduce the amount paid. Now that you have named the circle officer by person.
Well, what happened, my lord, one other case, read petition has been filed where stay order has been filed. And out of grudge, my lord, this has been done. Oblige.
May I please? In this case, your lordship, the husband of the petitioner, namely Polloy Hamner, was killed by the wild animal. Thereafter, concerned PS proposer registered a PS case by UD case number 04
Amount has not been drafted.
Yes, lordship. At page 27, your lordship, as per the notification.
All right. Heard.
Yes, sir.
So, yeah.
27.
Yes, Mr. Sharma, we are disposing of the matter.
Lordship, I think the report from the forest department will also be after inquiring all these things.
They will inquire and if they
Lordship.
find, they will, you'll put up a proposal to the concerned department. You are appearing for?
Forest Department.
Forest department. Okay. Within 60 days from the date of receipt of certificate.
I'm so grateful.
I appear for response.
Mr. Gogoi appears for response.
Timing, I think.
Yes.
Can it be on Friday? Being on record at 4 p.m. report.
Even him, he is returning it back to us.
The only thing, well, he will have to furnish a certified copy of that particular. Yeah. Otherwise, it will not be better. So if I file a affidavit, then at least we can.
You can file it by, we'll have it on 27th.
Not by Friday, I will file it. 27th.
Let the matter be listed on 27th, by which date the planning council held will file the affidavit as prayed for, bring on record the postmortem report issued by the Department of Forensic Medicine, DMCH, in respect of cause of death of the petitioner's husband. Petitioner's husband and father.
Petition number 1 husband.
Petitioner number 1 is on 27th.
I think 13.
Here, this one of the petitioner died due to electrocution, my lord, and then my lord, postmortem was also done, and the matter was informed to the electrical authorities, and the electrical authorities, my lord, the Narengi Electrical Subdivision made an inquiry also on the same day. It is an incident of 2022. Then, my lord, I filed one application.
Electrical inspector report is necessary.
But above that, you know, the project takes annexure 9 and 1 at page 9. That would be necessary, but he is agreeing to that with all respect and humility.
Huh?
With due respect, I beg to state that today at 12:22 at 11 a.m. when my son Akib Ali was doing boring works, came into contact with electric cable with 5 feet underneath ground and died. Although the co-workers immediately admitted him into protection hospital, but the doctors declared him dead. The name of the house owner of the said the house owner also did not inform the workers about electric wire. Due to negligence of the said person, he died. Therefore, in the name of he would be entitled to compensation. But the fact of the negligence of the part of the authorities, the laying of undertaking the lines, the routine work. He is not being aggrieved by the action of the authorities in laying or there being anything wrong in the laying. But the actual allegation is that gentleman in whose house this had happened had not informed the workers, and very pathetically so, unfortunate incident happened. Perhaps, in all fairness, without going to civil court also, he may array this person as a party.
I think you should
That should be
the party.
Thereafter, notice may go.
Right.
Or he may withdraw and refile. Correctly also. That amendment may need time.
You are working in the person's house as a daily wage laborer. Then it is because he did not inform you. The accident was made met with.
I will make a party. I'll make a party.
Better you withdraw and arrange the party and refile it.
I am allowed, I will implement him.
The council for the file A to implement the owner of the house under whose engagement the son met with an act. Met with an act. Right. Maybe it is here.
It's not.
With the matter. Anything could happen. Anything treatment of petitioner from the three.
Like,
Yes.
Madam, this is Panchayat delimitation. Some series are pending, madam, fixed on 20. Notice was issued in those cases, my lord. Some series are here, madam, number.
One of the WPC 5751.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, another matter today, your lordship has issued notice.
Item number
34, you know.
34.
Here also notice may be issued, may come on 20th.
On maintainability.
Yes, that.
Mr. Richard Chowdhury, City Council, assisted by Mr. A.H.M.R. A.H.M.R. Then
Longer than my email.
appearing and Mr. K. Appearing for all. For all?
I appear for except 2 years.
For 1, 3, and 4, Mr. R. Dubey for the challenge in the repetition is the change of the Gaon Panchayat versus the
Village.
village.
Our whole village is taken to another Panchayat about 6 kilometers away from that.
Change of the, no, therefore, the change of the affiliating Gaon Panchayat
Right.
of the village.
Village
of
to
the
another
repetitioner
government.
due to the issuance of, due to the delimitation process undertaken by the Zilla Parishad.
Your lordship did the district delimitation commission.
District delimitation
Commission.
They have participated in
Yes, yes.
public hearing also.
We filed objection also.
They submitted that during the hearing, the objections were filed, but in spite of that, objection proceeded to pass the order
And final list was
and
published.
published the final case. There are late notice issue, returnable.
My lord, a series are pending on 28th.
It is submitted that 228.
20.
20.
Yes.
On maintainability ground.
About 10-15 cases of that.
The writ petition are, it is submitted that simple writ petitions are pending and are listed and are fixed on 20.
2011.
It is submitted that are to be listed on 20 along with WPC
5751.
5751. If we issue notice, then we can't list it on 20.
Mother will give because everything is same point, my lord. We'll give them copy, my lord.
Returnable on 20.
Okay, on point maintainability count.
2011 and 24. So, with the respondents are represented, this is the way they
All official respondent will serve copy, my lord.
within the course of the day.
My lord.
Obliged.
Obliged.
What is the number? Give us the number which matter.
Hello?
Similar matters. What is the leading case number you give?
Leading is the number number. My lord, he'll give to him. How did he?
Obliged.
So he has to give the court number.
Oh, that's my lord.
May I please, Lordship, in this case, Your Lordship, we have filed an IA for enhancement of the quantum of accuracy relief, Your Lordship. In this case, Your Lordship, already 1 lakh
Yes.
already disbursed in the name of the petitioner, Your Lordship, as per the old notification. But we have filed.
Petition to be dismissed, Lord. because of the judgment passed by this honorable court, he has got other remedy, Lord.
Where is that?
That decision I can place before your Lord.
No. First thing is, where is that order by which he has been asked to pay? He has been granted the
1 lakh already as per old name.
Compensate. Have you been you have been granted pursuant to court's order?
Yes, Lordship.
Where is that order?
No, Lordship, we have not annexed. As per the inspection of my client, they have already get 1 lakh. But as per the Honorable Justice M. Today, he has advised me, why not you file for enhancement? Therefore, after we file this.
Lordship, because of this judgment, Lordship, that I am placing before your Lordship.
Because the accident.
This WPC number 270023. 270023. This is Monisha Khatun, wherein in paragraph 17, may I read, Lordship?
Yes.
Paragraph 17, Lordship, may. The notification dated 15/11/2014, the separate notification came in between, Lordship, and exchanging grant of compensation is found to be relatable to provide accuracy and financial assistance to the persons who were killed, injured due to extremist violence, terrorist violence, acts of miscreants, communal violence, ethnic violence, group clash, firing of security forces, accident, etc., who were kidnapped, abducted by the extremist terrorist miscreants and whose dwelling houses are fully burned, damages whether due to acts of extremist terrorist miscreants or during communal violence, ethnic violence, group clash. Therefore, accident must be in connection with acts committed by extremist terrorist miscreants or accidents arising out of a group clash, communal violence, ethnic violence. The state notification cannot be read as if all persons suffering from any accident except hit and run case where the offending vehicle remain unidentified in the final form after police investigation would become entitled to accessia where other statutory remedy is available. In this present case, the offending vehicle is identified. In that case, he has got the remedy in the MSCT court, Lordship, under that act, Lordship.
We take it up to the doctor.
Lordship, after this notification, Government of India has.
Have you seen that order?
Lordship, no.
Did it?
After filing this.
27.
Lordship.
It's not 27.
Lordship.
Get a copy of the order, put it in the file.
So.
Matter be listed again on 27.
Item 40.
Await service report. Respondent 2. It's after 2 weeks.
One.
Yes.
Please, Lord.
Who's supposed to be the petitioner? Yes.
Petitioner, it is M.K. Chaudhary and assisted by M.K. Bora. Lordship, in this case, Lordship, what happened?
That's certified copy.
Yeah. Lordship, it is very correct, but Lordship, my point is not on certified copy, Lordship. No, Lordship, initially, Lordship has passed whether the certified copy is to file along with the petition or not. Now, Lordship, in that case, Lordship, I can see there certified copy now they have bring it by an additional letter. I am not on that. Lordship. What I am on, Lordship, what this man is doing with the court for last 10 years. What fraud he is playing with the court in all the, Lordship, in the revenue board, in the high court, each and every time, Lordship. That is my case, Lordship. Why the court to entertain such a person who is playing fraud with the court in every stage, Lordship? The first one has filed the appeal before the revenue board. The chairman took up the matter. Chairman said, where is this man? Who is the appellant? Then says that the so-and-so is the appellant. They call him here. A person came in front. Then he said, oh, you are so-and-so joined. No, my lord, I am not. Whose signature is it? It is my signature. And that is how the petition was dismissed. And against that, this appeal is here. Now a person fraudulently file an appeal before a tribunal, and now he came before the High Court, again filed a duplicate certified copy, Lordship. At the same time, we have obtained a certified copy on the same day, Lordship. Let me show what my certified copy shows. We have applied for the certified copy. This is the certified copy given.
Is it with regard to the date or something else?
No, in the date.
Stamp date.
That is correct in my certified copy. First.
That is why I recollect query was made senior counsel. And that whether ordinarily filing a petition, insistence on a original certified copy not there. It is there. Where there in an appeal, criminal appeal, civil appeal, etc. Whether because the High Court place.
And my lord, it is very dangerous. He has given an allegation against the High Court office. Lordship, let us read that.
No, we do that. But let us let the counsel for the petitioner be present, if not here. We'll call it up in the second half.
Lordship.
We'll call it up again.
Yes, Lord.
The second half.
Only thing, Lordship, now they have filed an affidavit, Lordship, giving allegation against the High Court registry, Lordship.
We'll examine.
See, the filing of an affidavit is not a mere formality, Lordship. It is the fountainhead of the whole judicial system, Lordship. This thing cannot go like this, Lordship. One cannot be a spot-free.
You point out the affidavit in the second half. But
Yes,
follow
Lord.
the matter again.
Yes, Lord.
Follow up again. At 2 p.m.
My lord. My lord, I am the petitioner here, my lord.
Oh.
Petitioner number 2, my lord. And I have given my additional affidavit stating that I have applied for self-permission. I mean, petitioner number 1 has applied for self-permission in the year 2017, my lord, and again applied for self-permission in the year 2024, my lord. But no objection was filed by one Kandapur Vishnu, my lord. My lord, may kindly turn to page number 35, my lord.
No, why two petitioners? You are joint holders.
Petitioner number 1 is the buyer, my lord, and petition I am the he is the buyer, I am the
Vendor, seller.
no, he is selling his land and I am purchasing his land, my lord.
You are purchasing.
Yes, my lord. Every agreement has been made in the year 2015, my lord. And after
What is your prayer here?
my lord, my prayer is very simple, my lord. I applied for the sale permission, but at that time there was objection filed by one Kandapur Vishnu, my lord. And we then again approached personally to him, my lord, so that he may raise his objection, my lord. But he said us to wait. So we were waiting, my lord. In again 2024, again we applied. The same objection was still there, my lord. My lord, for this, my lord, I want to take my lord to page number 40, my lord. That is annexure number 8, my lord. May kindly.
Wait. There is an office report which says that the AD card has not been received. AD card or unserved notice has been received. And there was a direction to file some affidavit.
Yes, we have filed one additional affidavit, my lord. When
did you file it?
My lord, when I have filed it,
Office note says
8/11.
it's not here. No, who asked you to file? What affidavit have you filed?
My lord, affidavit has been asked from us to file regarding when we have filed applied for sale permission, my lord. That's why I have stated clearly, my lord, that we have applied for sale permission in the year 2017 and again in year 2024, my lord.
There is no direction to file an affidavit.
Yes, my lord. Also, there is no direction, maybe, but we were asked to
You
file.
filed.
Yes,
Fine,
my lord.
okay. Right. Office report dated 14/11/2024 shows AD card not served. petitioner number 2 in person submits that an affidavit was filed. However, the same is not available on record. Registry to press out that an affidavit needed to be filed and connected to the case report and to be listed after 2 weeks.
My lord, date may be successfully given.
After 2 weeks on 2nd of December.
2nd December. Yes, my lord. Highly obliged.
Steps have not been taken.
My lord, I'm sorry, my lord, at that time.
1 week's time granted to the counsel to the petitioner to take steps as directed by the earlier order. It's after 1 week.
May I please, your lordship?
Yeah.
Also, office notice said, also
No
steps has been
steps.
not taken. Also step has been taken, but also request court fee was not given. That we have cleared, lordship.
When?
Today. We have cleared.
Learned counsel for the petitioner submits that requisite court fee when steps have been taken for the registry today. Stop registry to verify the same and make necessary enforcements. Matter be listed after.
Lordship, a date may be fixed.
After 1 week.
Lordship, the matter related to lordship road.
Your defects are not cleared, Mr. Counsel.
We oblige the lord.
Yes. Unappeared. So we'll call it up after in the second. Second.
The respondent was filed.
Yes.
Lordship, as per the last order dated 23/10, Lordship, I was directed to obtain instruction whether the name of the petitioner is included in that list or not. I have obtained.
What does it say?
It is stated that the name of the deceased, State Panchanan Gogoi, is included in the list of the deceased person. Proposal regarding the payment of extra rupees 50 lakhs. That's due to the COVID-19 pandemic. The petitioner was a police officer.
Exactly like that.
No,
What remains?
Lordship, petitioner, Lordship died due to COVID-19, Lordship.
Make a representation before the department of Lordship.
Lordship already several representation was filed by the petitioner, Lordship. That is in page number 36, Lordship.
Lordship may grant me some more time, Lordship, instruction what has been done, because the details are to be recovered from the Deputy Commissioner's office. Thereafter, the regular department.
Get your instructions, complete instructions.
Yes.
Respondent, the fees of expression.
Lordship, on last occasion, I was directed to obtain the whether the name was included in the list or
Now
not.
you get your instructions.
Yes.
This is name included. So what has happened? Expression. Legally, next of the employee died in market COVID-19. While performing the while in duty
Petitioner's case is under scrutiny, Your Lordship.
during the
Give it.
COVID-19 pandemic. Better be listed after 2 weeks.
But the date may be fixed.
The 3 weeks, Lordship, if the payment is,
After 3 weeks on a date to be fixed by the registry.
Lordship, on last occasion also Lordship, respondent was directed to file an affidavit.
no, your Lordship, Lordship may kindly peruse order dated 2310.
2310.
Affidavit or not affidavit, let them bring the instructions which
Lordship,
pass it
keep
on.
that as a part of the record, which I
Yes.
placed.
The document, the communication dated 14/11/2024, placed before the court, is kept on the case record.
Pleasure.
Placed before the court by the respondent. Kept on it.
Right.
Next.
May I please your lordship?
Yes.
Petition till 11/6 in the final stage on 19/1/23. The lordship had asked us to file a written argument, and we have filed it. And that moment, the Supreme Court, the railway moved to Supreme Court, and Supreme Court stayed him. So ultimately, the Honorable Supreme Court has passed an order on the 8th of November and vacated this state, and therefore.
What is the issue here?
Only we have filed a petition for appointment of arbitration under 11/6. That is the only issue that they have not responded railway.
What is the response of the
My lord, from the panel, my lord, we have a panel of arbitrators.
Let's go now.
No, my lord, that has not been, my lord.
No.
This is a.
Have they waived their right to agree?
No. My lord, this is a panel, my lord, consisting of 63 arbitrators of retired officials.
Have you read the judgment?
Yes, my lord, I have read. My lord, that judgment was confined to, my lord, 3-member panel where the choices were to be given. Here, my lord.
That's the judgment rendered by a larger bench, laying down the law, clearing the law. It's not about 3-member or 5-member or 15-member.
My lord,
It is a judgment of this court, and I have given a copy of Lordship Pottenbang court.
What are these judgments that you are citing? You place the paragraph, tell us the majority view of the
my lord.
judgment. Paragraph 169 is the conclusion.
Yes, my lord.
Then what is this issue about 3 or 4 members? The mandate, the judgment of the court is the conclusion.
Lord, may I pray, my lord, I will also go through with my lord the judgment once again. Since it's a bulky, my lord, I have taken only one set.
This is a very pathetic submission gained by a counsel. If you're not ready, you take time and prepare. This is a bulky judgment, therefore you could not go and without going through your placing it before the court.
Any other date?
Yes, Mr. Thakur.
No problem.
We are marking this for you, for your convenience. Yes.
It's a
list on
right.
The court master will fix a date. You instruct your junior to take a date for the court master. Please take it on so and so date at the request of the Standing Council for Railways. Railways.
No, CGC, my lord.
CGC for which? Appearing for which department?
Well, we are appraised to appear.
You are not for appeal, railway?
For railways only, my lord. CGC now are appraised to represent. There is no panel.
Mr. Gupta, why are you always so confused?
No, there is no panel of railways, my lord, as of now.
That's what we asked you, and then you are confused.
I'm as a CGC,
for the railway, rather CGC appearing for the railway. And this matter is pertaining to railways only.
Yes. As a CGC, I'm
of course as a CGSC, but you are representing the railways also.
Yes.
That's what we indicated in the order. I- You can, you can collect it in the second half.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, this is that matter where auction of the land had taken place and the bank had failed to hand over possession. Now, in this writ petition, we are praying for refund of the entire amount along with interest and compensation. By order dated 23/10/2024, this honorable court had directed the respondent to seek instructions as to whether any chief executive officer has been appointed under the Societies
Yes.
Registration Act.
Well, with regards to that, we have filed an affidavit.
Why
The
can't you tell us the answer in either yes or no?
That is because, well, not in the past 2 months, elections happened and a board of director has been elected. But they were supposed to take up this issue with regards to release of this payment to the petitioner.
I just read the last order,
Yes, ma'am.
and there is a specific direction for you to place written instruction.
Yes, my lord, we have filed the affidavit, my lord,
Ah,
stating that the query that was raised to us was whether there's a chief executive officer of the bank and there is appointment, they have appointed a district deputy register of cooperative societies to look after the affairs of the bank, but that was done with regards to 41(6). And thereafter, it has not been done under section 49, which deals with chief executive officer.
If your lordship kindly
My lord may
wait
wait
one.
What is the answer to the query raised by the court?
No, my lord, presently there is no chief executive officer.
But lordship, if your lordship kindly sees page number 163 of the
We'll hear the matter. Heard, Learned Counsel. Pursuant to the earlier order dated 23/10/2024, counsel to the bank was directed to place an instruction as to whether there is any chief executive officer for the bank. So, it's submitted by MS Bank that the chief executive officer has not yet been appointed, and the administrator is presently looking after the affairs of the bank, who has been appointed by the registrar of stock. Said administrator has filed the petition on 3010. Considering the issues the petition required, we require hearing at the matter be discussed on 26th of November,
My lord, any date after that.
28th,
My lord, in the first week of December, I'll be out of state.
3rd of December.
If you
An attempt will be made to stop the petition.
if you
Yes.
Lordship, the Water Resource Department took the possession of my land and constructed embankment on the same without acquiring the land officially following the due process of law.
Which year?
It was, they acquired the land in 2012. And in the meantime, on several rounds of representation was filed, the matter was placed before the Lokha Adalat, but no result came out. When I approached this honorable court by way of filing this writ petition, the authorities sent acquisition proposal to the circle officer, sent the land acquisition proposal to the deputy commissioner office, but it was regretted, but it was not signed by the proper authority. Thereafter, Lordship will find in the last page of my page number 57, it is in communication dated 3/2/2024. The executive engineer of the Water Resource Department requested the circle officer to initiate the land acquisition process And they have admitted that the land was acquired they took the possession of the land in 2012, but they could not acquire the land officially because the work was an emergent in nature. And page 57. It's the part of my lordship. The issue is very simple. The admitted position is that land has been acquired. Land they took the possession of the land without acquiring the land, and compensation has not been paid to me.
Yes.
My landed colleague has broadly submitted before this honorable court, Lordship, because in the affidavit which we have filed, running page number 23, Lordship, affidavit, Lordship, paragraph 6, we have clearly stated that the land of the petitioner was not acquired. Although, yes, it is a fact that
Yes,
embankment
yes,
was constructed in the year 2012. It's a fact. But the land of the petitioner was not being acquired.
That is why, Lordship, I am also agree with him. They have constructed the embankment of the land.
His land.
Not over his land. His land was, means embankment was constructed. And on
Whose land is it?
Lordship, and on page 24, Lordship, that we have stated, Lordship, page number 24, Lordship.
Para 6, A.
Paragraph 7, last paragraph, last portion, Lordship, page 24. Further, the deponent begs to state that, running page 24, Lordship. It's the affidavit in opposition which we have filed, Lordship.
Affidavit filed by District Commission. Approved.
No, assistant chief engineer.
Assistant chief.
Where is my copy?
No, let us see whether they go.
Paragraph 6.
Yes. I don't think it is here. When was it filed? Not
against
listed
our
after
affidavit.
1 week.
Against our affidavit, the petitioner has already filed reply of.
It's there, but your affidavit is not here. When was it filed?
It was filed in the month of
it is submitted by Standing Council for
Water Resource Department.
Water Resources Department. The affidavit has been filed. The affidavit part. The case record. The affidavit stated to have been filed by the commission. The affidavit filed. It's not available for registry to verify and trace out the affidavit and connect it to the case report.
Lordship,
After 2 weeks.
No, Lordship, one thing is that everything is that because date is fixed, I'm not going to submit. Because the admitted position is that their communication says that land has been
Let that affidavit come on record.
that is a Lordship, my small prayer is that only date may be.
So it will be fixed by the registry.
It will, Lordship.
After 2 weeks or a date to be fixed by the registry. Because we do not know the schedule.
MK Bora is here, man. Who is filed?
Who is your senior?
MK Chaudhary. MK Bora is engaged.
When is it convenient for you?
Tomorrow I am out. Because will come back on 24th. On the 29th, after 29th, Lordship, any day. My point, Lordship,
3rd of December. 3rd of December.
Lordship. Because my only point, Lordship, recently this type of thing is going on here in this case, Lordship. This court, Lordship, has taken similar fact, Lord. This court passed this order. As you can see, same thing. I have a doubt whether Sipal Jani is there or not, even now. Now, this case, Lordship, you can see this court has passed this order. The same fraud, Lordship. Para 9, Lordship, you can see the fact is same. The person who has filed is not there. Someone else has filed. From the para 9, this court has said, it appears from the record that the status report as well as from the other attending facts circumstances 2016 till date. The writ petition has been pending in the same non-existing petitioner. The petition is seen to be accompanied by an affidavit which has been signed by the petitioner's deponent. Further, a Wakalatnama has been duly executed. What further indicates that the court is that there are other documents including the application made by RTS so-and-so, who has been annexed in 14, 14 and 16 with the same signature as appearing in the affidavit and Wakalatnama exists. It appears that the petition has been filed in a well-planned manner from which it is apparent that there is a conspiracy and the Wakalatnama, the content, the signature of the petitioner is accepted in so-and-so advocate. That appears that the name of D. Goswami was also written in this space and the same has been erased. However, there is no acceptance of the Wakalatnama of so-and-so. Para 12, as indicated above, what is astonishing is that the judicial process has been successfully been taken for a right for the last more than 6 years by instituting and constituting a case by non-existing person. The role of the counsel who has appeared in non-existing petition is absolutely important, as the counsel has accepted the case of the petitioner by signing a Wakalatnama and taking all steps from time to time on behalf of the non-existing petitioner. Now, in my case, Lordship, for a moment, Lordship, please come to page 57 in the writ petition. Because here in this case, the court has given an inquiry. Lordship, in my case, it is more dangerous, Lordship. Lordship, may please come to page 57, Annex 7 of the writ petition. It is the genesis where it started, Lordship. Both the parties were present along with the learned advocate, and the learned advocate, government advocate is also present. Appellant Sri Sripal Jain is physically present. On being asked whether he has filed the case, he denied that he has not filed the case. The case was filed by Sri Pawan Agarwala. Sri Pawan Agarwala is an acquaintance but is not related to him as stated by Sripal Jain. Sri Pawan Agarwala is also present in the court today. Sri Pawan Agarwala stated that he has no signature in the instant case. Sri Sripal Jain stated that he is not aware as to why the case has been filed in the Revenue Board, which is taken today. The signature of Sripal Jain has no similarity with the signature which is already there on the attendance sheet filed today. The above mentioned facts and recorded here. So it is the genesis, Lordship, where it started.
Then what happened after that?
Then against that, they came to High Court. High Court said that it is page 67, Lordship. High Court said this court has recorded everything, Lordship. And then para 4, Lordship, at page 68. It started at page 67, Lordship. Get it?
Yeah.
Para 4. I am reading from the 5th line from the top. The learned counsel with all fairness has drawn the attention of the court of paragraph 12 of the writ petition. On perusal of the said paragraph would show that the petitioner has duly admitted that he out of nervous has stated before the Assam Board of Revenue that he did not file the appeal. The question as to whether the petitioner out of nervous has stated that not that he has not filed the appeal before the Assam Board of Revenue is a question of fact which this court cannot adjudicate. Under such circumstances, the instant writ petition is devoid of any merit. Be that as it may, so and so, in the circumstances, the Assam Board of Revenue shall take a decision in accordance with law, so they may be given a liberty to file review if advised, and Lordship then to be decided in accordance with law. So now they have decided not to file review. Then after one year, more than 1 year, Lordship, they file a review. Now this time they filed a review. Review petition is filed. There is no signature, no ticket. That, Lordship, I can give the date, all the date. Initially they filed although the review was filed on 1/7/23, the stamp for the review and the application for condonation of delay was supplied on 28/7/2023. Unstamped application was filed on 1/7. Then, although the Vakalatnama was signed on 3/6/23, the Vakalatnama was duly stamped only on 28/7/23. So all these facts, Lordship, these are many other things. Lordship, now Lordship, it is very dangerous. Lordship will see. It is go for a what if Lordship will hear? Lordship, I want to show only one thing. Lordship, may please come to page 116 of the writ petition for a moment.
Yes.
116, Lordship, get it?
Yes.
Lordship, see, in the top there is a ticket. Just below the date, there is a ticket, Lordship, son.
Yes.
Then, Lordship, in the left hand side, there is a ticket. 1, 2, 3 ticket. Lordship has seen. There is a line in between. Then down below there is Assam Board of Revenue. Seal is there. So, Lordship, please remember that there is 3 tickets. Now, Lordship by an order, Lordship passed an order. This court passed an order that all right. You give the original certified copy. That is on 21/10/24. This court say you buy an additional affidavit, give the original certified copy. Now they have filed page 175, Lordship, of the record. Let's see. Page 175. It started at 174, Lordship.
Yes.
I'm sorry. Page 174.
One ticket is
Photo record of 175.
It is 175, Lordship. Annexure 15.
This is the
Now, Lordship, for a moment, see 116 and this 175 for a moment.
no. Yes, this pertains to the same case, same order.
Same order. Same sir. No. They said this is a photocopy they have given in the writ petition. Court said, all right, you give the original.
Date of application is also the same.
Everything.
They cannot.
And how come this is the same document, Lordship? There is 2 tickets. The top side ticket is in the left side. Now this time, all these are same.
Yes.
Now, Lordship, come to the
175.
in the 175 top right. There is a pagination, Lordship, page 47. Small pagination, Lordship, after 175 right hand column, date of making over the copy to the applicant at page 175, Lordship. 175.
Yes. Date of
Top
making
right hand column, page 47, Lordship, seen?
Yes.
Then next page 48, like that. Lordship, what I want to say, this page 116 and this page 175, it is not the same. Why I want to say this pagination, Lordship, when it come, I go to the revenue board, ask them when this come. They said after the disposal, after 1 year, they send it to the record room. When they send it to the record room, they give the serial pagination of the record. Lordship, get my point? 116 is the certified copy they have taken. So that is one date. Now, Lordship, in the 116, in the top, Lordship will not see this pagination. 116, this pagination is not there.
which is available in
Page
Page 116.
175.
175.
what pagination?
In the top, Lordship, in the top, date of making over the copy to the applicant, Lordship, get it? Over that, it is 47.
All right.
48. Now 116, Lordship, see.
That partially not legible also.
Yes.
116 partially is not legible. Anyway.
No, Lordship, no, they have given a certified copy of that, Lordship, now.
So this 47, 48 is then the page number of what?
Page number, when they send the record to the record room, they give a serial page in it. So it is after filing of the writ petition here, they have already closed. They send it to the record. It is subsequent, Lordship.
Therefore, you are saying that this 175 showing all this date of application and date of C
Yes.
cannot be one and the same as 160.
Yes, Lordship. These are all fraud, Lordship. Because this page, Lordship, 116, Lordship will not see that number, pagination. No. Even, and then, Lordship, in between, we have take the certified copy.
Yes, when is your counsel coming back from the
Your Honor, if you fix it on day after tomorrow, it's coming on tomorrow evening. So day after
You are
tomorrow.
not there day after.
No, the 3rd December.
We have received the affidavit.
Any date, Lordship,
in the morning. Your Honor.
Lordship, any date. Yeah. But up to 2029, I'm not there. Lordship. Lordship.
Much obliged.
Only, Lordship, there is a thing, Lordship, now they have given a copy to us on the last day. We have received additional affidavit. Here they have made the pagination and they have start the pagination from 171 and it finished at 179. Now we have given our reply to that and we have given page 180. And when we have given the reply, in our affidavit, we said that in para 1, page 179, 174, we have given here. Now, Lordship, today I have seen it is sent again. It is started from 175.
You point out that
Is all this thing and
you to notice because I recollect that there was an attempt to pass off the caveat by showing that it was different date. In case we detect that there is an illegal call for acquisition being resorted, it comes out very heavy.
Lordship passed an order on 10/4/2024. Lordship passed. 10/4/2024.
Yes.
After Lordship's order, the Registrar General have given 2 reports. That is on 3/6/2024 and 17/5/2024.
So therefore, so the very high Mr. Chaudhary, not alone in the capacity of a senior counsel, but also as an author of the Guwahati High Court rule, whether under the rule do you require by challenging a particular order of the revenue board or any other tribunal for that matter. Let us say orders passed by the Central Administrative Tribunal. Do you require the original certified file?
Yes.
The rules are not clear. In fact, there is no specification that there is file. Ordinarily, in an appeal, criminal appeal or a civil appeal, are required to file.
So, Lordship, there it is very clear. High Court rule is very clear, Lordship, chapter 5A.
Chapter 5 doesn't talk about giving the original certified.
No. Chapter 5A says, Lordship, for a moment, Lordship, this book, Lordship, Guwahati High Court rule.
All right, you read it.
Yes, I'll read slowly, Lordship. Chapter 5A says, in all other respects, the procedure relating to the revision application shall apply to such application. So this is...
In a revision, you don't enclose the certified.
So, no, I'll read. This is regarding 226. Now, Lordship, I'll come to chapter 5. Chapter 5, rule 9. In the case of an application for revision, the application shall be accompanied by certified copies of each of the following documents: the judgment, decree, or order to who is the application relate?
Yes, that
If the judgment, decree or order, to which the application relate was judgment, decree or order delivered by court.
the question was raised because of the fact that there was no objection to the filing. From the
That's
filing.
why how, Lordship, now it is bigger than that, Lordship. Now in the affidavit, this man has given a complaint against the registry. What he has said in the paragraph 4. The deponent do annex the certified copy of the order. He said, deponent annex the certified copy of the order dated so and so, along with the writ petition. The registry of this court only accept the photocopies of the certified copy of their order, and certified copy was returned. This is on oath, Lordship.
That we'll have to inquire. The administrative side. Right? Where is the report of the
It is Lordship, two report, Lordship. One is 3/5/2024 and one is 17/5/2024. 3/6/2024 and 17/5/2024. In the office note, Lordship, there is given, Lordship.
Yes.
Is the 17/5/2024 office note, Lordship.
Office note.
Office note.
Yes. One is 310.
No, one is 3/6/2024. 3/6. Given by register judicial.
There is no 3/6.
One is 17/5/2024 and the main report is 3/6/2024.
Yes, 3/6.
It is very clear, Lordship. What I have read, Lordship, it is there.
He also gives a report that certified copies will be necessary.
Yes.
On 3/6/2020.
Yes. So this court on 24/6/2024, this report of 22nd May of 2024 report is reflect, Lordship. This court has taken note of that. 24/6/2024. This court has taken note of that while passing the order.
Okay. But when the matter is pulled up, counsel for the petitioner was absent while Mr. Sharma, assisted by Mr.
A. Gautam.
A. Gautam. Mr. Sharma said by the respondent, sole respondent.
R5 and R6.
Respondent 5 and 6. Subsequently, matter was pulled up again. And Mr.
M.M. Kashyap.
M.M. Kashyap, counsel, appearing for the petitioner submit that the arguing counsel, Mr. M. Chaudhary, now government senior Darpur station, and for an adjournment. So, the learned counsel for the respondent strenuously urges that the petitioner has resorted to forgery of the highest order and has manipulated the records. Therefore, the court should pick up the matter and examine and pass appropriate orders. The senior counsel has referred to certain documents to point out that certified same order passed by the Revenue Board shown to have been obtained on the same date. On the face of it, does not appear. On the face of it, appears to be on the face of it here that there is some manipulation by looking into the form and texture of the subject closed. Earlier, this court by order dated 22/5, I think.
On 10/4/24, Lordship, and then 24/6/24.
Now, we directed an order for
24/6/24.
22/5.
10/4, Lordship.
22/5 is the order of the court
22/5.
whereby the registrar judicial has placed a report. Of this report, placed the report dated 3/6/2020. Report is expected below. So, that's my point. Of the order. The report indicates that certified copies of judgments and orders are to be enclosed in applications where such orders and judgments are challenged. Here, on the day when the matter was moved, there was an objection raised by the counsel to respondent 5 and 6 that the caveat filed by the petitioner by them has been bypassed and the matter was dismissed to the court. During the course of the hearing on that particular day, it was pointed out the counsel at hearing note 5 and 6 that the petitioner had deliberately manipulated the date of the order and thereby the caveat was permitted. The caveat was not placed along with the present petition. So, the learned counsel that day. Where was that order? Where is that caveat and order? Where is that certified copy of the order? 116.
Oh, Lordship, 116 of the writ petition.
175.
Shows that
Then
the
175.
copy enclosed by photocopy enclosed by the petitioner. The photocopy of the certified copy enclosed by the petitioner of the order passed in 3 RA within bracket A of which year is it? Page number 160, case number
Is 2023, Lord.
of 2023 was shown to have been passed on Nine 1/2024, whereas in the actual certified copy available with the writ petition, it was passed on
29/1/2020.
29/1/2024. So, on the basis of the date reflected, certified copy date by the respondent are at 5 and 6, showing the date of the order is 29/1/2024. The caveat was filed, and the petitioner and the respondents were expecting to be put to notice in even any application or petition is filed to challenge the order, state order dated 29/1/2024 passed in
3 RA review.
3
RA bracket K bracket review.
3 RA bracket K
bracket review RVW.
bracket RA
bracket RVW.
RVW review slash
2023.
2023. In the event any such application is filed by the petitioner. Subsequently, the petitioner came to be informed. Upon how were you informed?
Not
How were
Dusty
you
Dusty service was taken on our driver. We have pleaded this in the affidavit of
Dusty service after the petition, after orders were passed by the
Yes,
court?
yes.
Subsequently, after the court issuing, directing the respondents to take steps by Dusty service, petitioners were surprised that notwithstanding the caveat 5, copy was not served. So accordingly, this court by order dated order dated 22/5, yes, directed the registry to cause an inquiry. Five, caveat not 5. Initially, sorry, why 35 copy? Why 3 of the reasons?
Here, Lordship, I will request one thing, Lordship. I have filed an affidavit. In the affidavit, paragraph 1, I have said not only the date, Lordship, they have sent the name of the respondent number 4 and 5. What is?
We go into all that. I am just narrating whatever was there before the court on that.
Lodge.
Pursuant to which the
Lodge.
inquiry.
Lodge.
Thereafter, I did okay. Yes, because the- Pursuant to the report being filed, the court by order dated 24/6 permitted the parties to exchange their pleading. So, so subsequently, on 21/10, this petitioner permitted to file additional affidavit. Additional affidavit has been filed.
Yes. That is at page 175.
The additional affidavit is at 5, and the matter came up with court date. So, however, prayer is made by the counsel. The person after that, I think now it's heard. Although he's not available, Waki, which is accordingly, considering the gravity of the allegations made by the respondent against the petitioner and the seriousness and the serious consequences that it is likely to bear in the event these allegations are found to be correct. Its court considers it necessary to fix the matter for further orders on 3rd of December. Further orders as found necessary to be passed by the court the next day. This recording.
What's applied?
3rd December.
What is land plot?
Huh?
land.
Sorry?
Parted or parted land, there is something not line. Because they already kept.
You point out to the court if it is not available. Why?
Well,
Because
at least that's like
because the
logic.
petitioner was not.
Sometime with that reflection logic, the registry say.
We'll consider on the next date. You decide. None appears for the petitioner on call. On 14/8, none had appeared for the petitioner on call. On 4/11, none had also petitioner remained unrepresented. MS D. Hazarika appears for
Judgment number two.
respondent number
Two, Lord.
2. Anyone else? Mr. PJ Talukar, Sydney Council appears for respondent 1. 1, 3, 4, and 5. In view of non-representation of the writ petition stands dismissed for not prosecution. Interim orders, if any, stands vacated.
Item 51.
In this case, my lord, the respondent side has filed affidavit by the additional deputy commissioner. And my lord, we need some instruction, so lordship may take up any day.
Mr. J.V. Chaudhary, Dutch counsel for the petitioner, prayed for an instructed each time. Complete his instructions on the affidavit filed by of this filed by the respondent. Accordingly, writ petition stands deferred. Your name?
1 week, my lord.
Here for MD Bora. Respondent number 7.
MS so-and-so appears on behalf of
MD Bora.
MD.
Corporation.
After a week.
After 1 week.
Okay.